The chopper, money. The chopper shit come for the money. You nigga be playing and we dumping. You pussy, you know how we come.
Yeah, son, he was eating oatmeal and then he started tripping and told me to get out. And I was like, you don't got to say nothing but a word. Then I went to the store, they had everything on sale. Like, it was $5 for everything, 5 and below. Like, so you know me, I seen them speakers, they had the wireless ones. So I just gone like grab like 8 of them, cause you know, you don't got to say nothing but a word. So I grabbed like 8 of them and I'm finna check them out. Hey bro, I don't mean to like interrupt, but hold on, what the? But you capping, like you is lying. I know what you did. You didn't ring up the speaker. You rung up a bag of chips and a Snicker bar, and it was $5, and you forgot to ring up the speaker. I already know, bro. I've been there. I did that, bro. The speaker wasn't $5. Wireless speaker? You lying? You capping? I know you capping for real. Nah, son, he rung it up. 5 a pop, 5 a piece. And I was like, you don't got to say nothing but a word. Then I was reading on the box. It says it's compatible with your MP3 player. So I was like, nothing but a word, son. And then on the way to the car, I was like, I can make a little deal or something, a little profit, 10 a piece, make a quick $30. But I'll think about that later on. But yeah, son, what you think? See, that's what's wrong with y'all black people today. Like, fucking black people. Y'all, every time something costs $2 or $3, $4, $5, y'all want to just buy the whole store out, get more than you need. Like, fuck. Well, anyways, if the speaker good, let's try it out right now. Let's do like a review or something over it. And if it's good, let me get one of yours. No cap. Like, for real. Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. I like you, son. You don't gotta say nothing but a word. Let's get into it, son. Nothing but a word. It's your boy. Okay. Rick. And yes, son. Is a $5 speaker actually worth $5? Or is it worth more? Like, is it worth it, man? And we finna find out today, okay, Rick, man. And if you enjoyed the little mini skit below, always be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, man. I try to make y'all day better, make y'all smile, you know what I'm saying? And that's how we coming, man. So I went to the store and I picked up a wireless speaker. Hilo. Let me get a better view, Hilo. Not fuck, if I can just get this thing to focus. Okay, there it is. Hilo wireless speaker. And I went to the dollar store and got this up. No, I'm just kidding. I ain't go to no dollar store. But I went to the store called like 5 cents and below, $5 and below, $10 and below, some shit like that. And I picked up a speaker called Hilo. Wireless speaker is compatible with iPhone, Androids, iPads, and your iPod MP3 player. We lit, son. It don't get no better than this. Now on the box it says high quality LED light up, so it lights up. Look, son, it light up, son. And rechargeable battery. Oh yeah, we lit. Oh, we lit. So let me just. Is it actually worth it? For $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 5, you know, I can't count. But yeah, son, $5. Well, I mean to say, son, because I know some of y'all girls probably watching this video. My bad, I love y'all. Yeah. Compatible. I'll never lie to you. I'll never lie. I'm never compatible with what? iPhone. Oh God, if I can get it to focus. iPhone, Android, iPad, MP3 player. Right here, it tells you about everything. The high quality sound come from right here. The LED light up from the middle, like all that. The luxury design. I don't know why they put luxury, but rechargeable. And now the driver thermometer. I know I can't read, but the driver thermometer 52 milli. Oh, I don't know what that is. The battery capacity 300. That bitch gonna die quick. But playing 1 to 2 hours. That bitch. Oh, what the hell? I see why it's $5. That's why it's $5. The Bluetooth range 32 feet. That's probably from here to there, huh? Fuck. And we also got the Bluetooth version 4.2. I'm pretty sure that's like the lowest version. I don't really know, but 4.2 better than 3, so I think this is worth $5. So we finna just open it up and like test it out. You know what I'm saying? So we got the Hilo wireless speaker. Is it actually worth $5? I've destroyed the box already. Fuck the box though. It's only $5, you know.
Okay. And bam, we have a wireless $5 Bluetooth speaker, people. $5 wireless speaker.
How much was it?
$5. What the fuck, Prentice? You're not supposed to speak in the cameraman. What the fuck? Okay, so $5 speaker. You get a speaker and a cord. And some more plastic and a manual. Fuck. Yeah, I mean, it looks pretty easy to use. I guess you just put this in there. I can see why this is $5 though. You can kind of tell from the like look at this. It's like halfway in there. Like fuck. And look how cheap this is. On off, on off. Fuck. Now you can just kind of tell why it's worth $5. But let's see how this thing sounds though. Yeah, so let's put, I think it needs to charge. Oh, son, we clicking. I just turn it off. You can see, you just hit this button right here, turn it off, turn it on like this. Okay, now let me get my phone, and we're gonna see what this bad boy sounds like, son. Yeah, so yeah, we back. And now we're gonna just see what this thing sounds like, and I got my boy with me, Donato, you know what I'm saying?
Slap!
And we just gonna see what this thing sounds like, man. Is it actually worth $5?
Fuck no.
You can already tell by the material and how it looks that it like
Look cheap as hell.
yeah, it like fuck, like
It looks like a fucking popcorn maker.
but yeah,
It look cheap, so it man, the little bad ass speaker. The man finna have no bass to it.
no bass. You think no bass?
No bass.
No bass.
No bass.
Alright, let's see though. Let's see. We're gonna turn it on. See what it sound like. Again. Hey son, that bitch sound okay. And it got the lights.
Face ass.
And I guess you could use like the lights for like at night. So this could be a good speaker at night. Well, let's see how.
Minis over it.
What the? All right, so let's see.
To connect.
We got it to connect. So let's hear it. Let's see what it sound like. We're gonna play a song. You know what I'm saying?
Quick little $5 speaker. I really don't think it got no bass.
No bass.
No bass. Okay, just a little bit. Can't start no party with this bit though. Hey, this is a 3 people speaker.
This is like a $3. Like only 3 people have to be in the room for this kind of speaker.
Yeah.
No cap.
A little round table. You feel me, man? You know speaker.
And I can say that the bass so far,
It's alright.
it's okay. The sound is okay. I think it's actually worth $5.
You think it's worth
I
$5?
think it's worth $5. I mean, 3 people could be in there. I think 2 or 3 people could be in the room for this type of speaker though.
You see? See, I think the reason that the bass and the volume is not too good on here is because of the lights. Cause you know the lights take off a lot of energy from the bass and the actual volume. Only people that's real technical with stuff like this will understand. Yo, dumb man wouldn't get it.
Yeah, I wouldn't get it at all. But look, yeah, so I think it was worth $5.
No.
No, you don't think so?
No.
He say no. Jason, get Jason on the camera. Get Jason on the camera. Do you think this speaker is worth $5? Let me give you another sound test real quick.
I pull up in runners and shit.
Okay, how much? $5.
You wearing the car?
$5. $5.
Okay, it's kind of hard to buy.
That's like 5 McChickens at McDonald's.
Hey, that's like 2 meals.
2 meals. This is like 2 meals. If you're eating cheap.
Okay.
That's like half a meal for me.
Okay, big T. Alright, for $5, yeah, $5 is fine.
$5 is fine. He say no.
You say no?
I say no.
He say no.
$5.
I think the deciding factor will be how long it lasts.
Oh, that's good. What's
We
the battery
already talked about.
What's the battery
The
life?
battery life on this is about 1 to 2 hours.
2 hours? 1 to 2. I bet it's 1 hour.
It's not worth it.
No.
1 hour if it's playing music, 2 hours is just sitting there.
It's not worth it.
No.
I think it's worth $5.
Big P, what you think?
I think it'll be good for like a shower speaker. Cause
Yes, that could be. It could be a shower speaker. Like no cap, you could like throw it like on the little side and just.
A public speaker. That on camera.
You say what, P?
No.
You say what?
Take it into a urinal and play porn off of it.
Oh God.
I think that's the end. I think that's the end of the video.
We really gonna sue him.
Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments down below what y'all thinking. If y'all think it was a worth $5, or would you spend $5 on this Halo wireless speaker? Let me know in the comments. And
Called bass jacks with no bass.
And if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to subscribe. And I'll catch y'all next video.
Trying to hit that third.
People that don't know me, y'all gonna really get to know me very, very shortly. I'm gonna be taking over Rick's channel in a couple days. You feel me?
Give me the camera. Give me the camera.